Email sender reputation is one of the key factors affecting email deliverability. Tune in to find out what it is and how to improve it. Hello, and welcome to Mailtrap Videos, where we explore the world of emails. Email sender reputation is the combination of IP and domain reputation. These are measures internet service providers use to determine whether a sender is legitimate or not. Depending on the IP and domain reputation, ISPs decide where the emails should land. While IP and domain reputation are two different things, they shouldn't be treated as standalone concepts. If your IP reputation is flawless, but your domain reputation is suffering, your sender reputation will still decline. The same applies in reverse. So, which factors can affect sender reputation negatively? Frequent spam complaints, hitting spam traps, high bounce rates, dodgy sending history, low engagement rates, and high unsubscribe rates. The next and most important question is, how do you build and improve the sender reputation? Here's how. Authenticate your sending domain with SPF, DKIM, and DMARC to increase the legitimacy of the sender. Grow your mailing list organically by using a double opt-in and asking for consent clearly. And clean the list regularly to reduce bounce rates and spam complaints. Track engagement rates. If they're low, experiment with your email content, schedule, and campaigns to regain the attention of your subscribers. Use a reliable email infrastructure, such as Mailtrap, to always keep your sender reputation in check. That wraps up our quick overview of email sender reputation. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email infrastructure in one place. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. More email-related content is on the way. See you there!